Hey, it's Zena, and today I want to unbox this USB fan from Sweetfull. We have an instruction manual, the fan packaged really nicely, and this is what it looks like. Really nice small fan, literally compared to the size of the palm of my hand. Really thin, this is the width, and it does come with USB for connection. So as you can see, this one is the darker wood grain with a dark gray, almost black looking case, which holds the fan. And the fan itself comes with clear fan pieces. Let's see how it works. So a simple on and off button, and it actually has 3 speeds. So you just press it once and then twice for the higher speed. It works pretty quietly and it's effective. I'm about 3 feet in front of it right now, and I do feel the cooling. Really nice, soothing, cooling fan, especially for personal use and small places. Thank you, Sweetfull, for sending me the product for review.